said I would not do another bag, you know, bag video until I got my Birkin, but you guys know I be lying sometimes. What's up, Court Crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Courtney Jinean, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be doing a luxury unboxing of my new TELFAR bag. You guys, I have been praying on this bag for mad long, and I am so excited to actually have one in my possession. It's not the exact color I want, just because I did participate in their bag security program, but this one was mad cute too, and I was just like, I really want one, and I didn't get one in the small, so like that's why I picked it up. I know I said I would not do another bag, you know, bag video until I got my Birkin, but you guys, I be lying sometimes. So here we are with a bag haul. Let's get into it. If you don't know what TELFAR is, it is a black owned luxury brand, but it's on the affordable side of luxury. There's different scales of luxury, and this is like an affordable side of luxury. The reason why I really wanted this bag is because one, is black owned, and it was going like crazy on Twitter, and I remember just seeing so many different pictures of people styling the bag, and it just looks so good with every single person that was wearing it. Every single color looked mad good. Like, there's different sizes, but it didn't matter. Like, every single picture that I saw, it was literally fire, fire, fire. And I was like, you know what, I kind of need this bag. Low-key, I want it in all colors. Let's get into unboxing this bag. Shipping was extremely fast, you guys. Like, I think I ordered it on maybe Monday or Tuesday, and it came on Thursday. So you guys know that they did recently do their bag security day, where you could literally pre-order any bag that you want, any size that you want, since that the bags were selling out so quickly, and a lot of bots were getting it, so they were like, no, we gonna stop the whole reselling, and you guys can just pre-order your bag. So if you pre-order a bag, it will only come between December 2020 and January 2021. But I'm a little impatient. So when I saw that this one was restocking, I went on the website, and it's literally so much easier to get a bag nowadays, since a lot of people participated in the bag security program and they got all the bags that they wanted, so they don't really, like, they're not really checking for the restocks anymore. So yeah, so if you want a TELFAR bag, it is extremely easier to get a bag. It depends on the color. So yeah, but let's unbox. It came so quick. It comes with like a packing list, and here is, she can do a little stuff that wants me again. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so what I picked up was the small shopping bag, and I picked it up in the color gray. I think they were doing this one and the gold one, but I feel like the gold one is mad cute. I feel like all of them are cute, but I feel like gray will be a pretty safe color, just because it kind of goes with a lot of things, and I could style it in multiple different ways. So yeah, and I got it in the small because I picked up a medium bag with the security program. So I wanted the small because if you watched my what's in a bag video, that one's kind of a medium taupe, so I wanted something that's small and very easy to just on the go. So yeah, that's why I picked up the small. So it comes in this little plastic, and then it comes in this little duster. So this is so cute. I'll probably keep the bag in this, but I feel like I will use this one a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it has the legendary TELFAR logo on just one side of the bag, and then inside is the shopping bag. Okay, it's a little bit darker than I thought. So here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. It's so cute though. Wait. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Yes. Oh.
Okay, so this is the bag. I'm super excited. It's so cute. So let's just like let's just take it all in. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. Let's do a thumbnail. So this is so cute. One thing that I will note, I feel like on the site this looked like a lighter gray, but to me, like, it kind of looks like a charcoal type of gray. It's a little bit more wearable than I thought it would be. I thought it would be like a light gray. But yeah, this is so cute. Okay, so this is the small bag. Let me just take off this. Okay, so the TELFAR bag comes with, like, you can hold it like a little cross bag like this, or you have the long strap so you can kind of put it to the side or just hold it like this. It's so cute. Okay, so when you open it up, it comes with a tag that just says TELFAR, and it says small shopper in gray, and then it comes with, I don't know what this is, and then it comes with the little TELFAR logo inside. There's no zipper or anything inside. There's just like a little clasp at the top so you can rock it. This is so cute. I can't wait, because I wanted to get a small just because I kind of want to see them in all the different sizes. So yeah, this one's so cute, and I can't wait to get, like, I low-key want more colors just because this one's like muted, and I didn't get any of like the fun pop-up colors, which like the orange, the blue, the pink. It's so cute, or the yellow. But I feel like I want the pop-up colors in like the small shopping bag, and then for like my everyday bag could be the medium black, you know. Okay, you guys, and that is it for this unboxing of my TELFAR shopping bag. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you have any TELFARs. What are your thoughts on it? And let me know down below if you would like to see a what's in my bag with the small TELFAR shopping bag, because I feel like it's extremely small. I don't know what I was expecting. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but it's still cute, and it's miniature, and it's perfect for when you're on the go. Like, you literally just want to throw something, throw your phone, get your little cards, and then that's it. You can be on the go. So let me know if you want to see a what's in my bag with that bag. But yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and join the Court Crew family, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.